Venerable Bhikkhuni, have you attained first stage meditation, which is called Pīti Sukha? In Pali, Pīti Sukha, when we practice focusing, attention, developing one-pointedness of mind, we start to experience a lot of peace, a lot of bliss, which is one way of translating this word pīti, rapture, bliss, delight, which is mental and also physical. And sukha then is the softening of that rapture. It's the letting go of that intensely pleasant experience into something more calm, more peaceful, more like contentment. These are all qualities of happiness. These aspects of happiness are what we can experience for ourselves when we develop meditation practice. Why? Because we're letting go of any kind of obscurations in the mind and recognizing the true nature of the mind that is uncluttered, that is free from hindrances, free from defilements, even for a moment. Have I attained? I'm not sure. I mean, I've done a lot of meditation and I've experienced all sorts of things. One thing that's really important for me is to recognize that everything's changing. And so, the most important things I've experienced through meditation practice are the understanding of Anicca, impermanence, the understanding of Dukkha, of what it is that creates suffering and how to let go of that, and the understanding of the impersonal nature of experience. We're not experiencing anything. There is Dhamma, and one can see what brings peace and one can see what brings agitation and suffering. And then the inclination is always to move towards the peaceful. Above all, for me, the quality of anicca, of change, is what I experience in meditation practice. So it's to know that, to understand, to be very conscious that whatever state of mind, whatever experience arises, such as sukha or piti or suffering or pain, or a mind that's really agitated, or a mind that's very still, whatever is being experienced, it's going to change. And therefore, because this is the nature of all things, the best way forward is to recognize that and be willing just to let it change, to let go, not to hold on to anything at all.